What's up guys, Uwa here, and finally dumating na ang air filter na binili ko mula sa Lazada noong 11/11. Yeah!
The next day.
What's up guys, Uwa here, and today we'll be replacing the air filter of a Toyota Innova. Let's start, shall we? So the air filter for the first gen Toyota Innova is the same with the first gen Toyota Fortuner and the 7th gen Toyota Hilux. It's a very simple task, kayang gawin ng kahit sino, and you don't need any special tool, just your hands. Well, kung complicated ang yung airbox, that's the time you might need one. So the first step is open your hood. So pop the hood, put the stand on, and right here is your air filter or airbox. So it has 3 locks, one here, and one here. And it's the same with the first gen Toyota Fortuner, 7th gen Toyota Hilux. They look all the same. So okay, let's start. So remove the locks by pulling this up, all 3 of them. Then make sure that they won't get caught up. It's clear. Then just pull this up. And there's your old air filter. Pull it out. Grab your new air filter and drop it in. Then make sure it's on the proper place. Put the locks back on. And make sure it's tightly closed. And that's it. So I got the old air filter out. So let's compare it with the new one. So this is the new one and this is the old one. And right off the bat, makikita nyo na sobrang itim na neto compared to the new one. Okay. So yeah, this one, madami na siyang dirt sa loob, alikabok, and whatsoever. I think it's been there ever since it got out from the factory. So from day one, since it was purchased, ito na yung nakalagay. So I bought a new one from Lazada. Yeah, 11/11. Madali ako dun. So Lazada Racing air filter. It's very cheap actually, dahil sale nga. So you should always check your air filter and replace it when it gets this dirty. Okay? Kasi what happens is marirestrict yung airflow nung hangin papunta sa makina. So parang nasasakal yung makina mo kasi hindi siya makakuha ng hangin or hindi siya makahinga ng properly. Cannot breathe properly. So always check your air filter and replace them when needed. And also, I'll be showing another picture of an old and new air filter of a 2004 Honda City. So, okay, here. Take a look at it and see the difference. So, ganun din siya. Itim na itim din yung isa, while the other is like yellowish or yellow, very yellow yung filter material niya. So, there. Always replace it, always check it, and replace it when needed. Guys, there you have it. Ganun kadali magpalit ng air filter ng Innova. Same with the Hilux and Fortuner. Kayang-kaya mong gawin. And thanks for watching. So pop the hood. Okay, sinarado ko. So the air filter for the first gen Toyota Innova is the same with the first gen. Ulit. Kumpara natin. And kitang-kita nyo naman kung ano yung difference sa dalawa. So this is the new, this is the old. And kung makikita nyo, tumatawag yung aso, ang ingay. Shit. Kaka-record ko pa lang, tumatawag na ulit yung aso. Oh my God!